It's raining a lot. Alright, we're about to set off on our hike to see the Grand Prismatic something and from the overlook and to go to Fairy Falls. Emmy is really looking forward to this hike, so we'll see how she feels after. We're up in a geyser. So now we're heading up over this iron bridge.
We used to call it a fountain, but since we saw geysers today, we call it.
Yeah, it just got super dusty.
See, look at that.
There we go. Fairy Falls. Just kidding. This is just the beginning of the trailhead. We think that's the Grand Prismatic Spring. We're gonna hike up this thing to get to the overlook.
Emmy, turn around.
We're part of the way up. How are you feeling about this, Em? Great, huh?
My legs are already hurting.
But she's gonna make it up to the overlook. Almost there. Almost there. And now the Grand Prismatic Spring.
Yes, we should have. We got.
Don't mind me. I am literally out.
Was it worth it?
It's super pretty.
I can plug in the same one everybody else.
It is pretty gorgeous. Emmy's parkouring down from the Grand Prismatic Spring. Go Em! Everybody else quit, but my dad decided to hike with me up to Fairy Falls. So, taking a big hike out here in the woods in flip-flops like I'm doing, it's not the best idea, but it does mean you can walk through the mud holes. Get maybe cleaner feet until they get dirty again. Save this dragonfly out of the water. No, he's just hanging out on my... See that sign right there? That sign is extremely important. I'll tell you about it in just a second, but remember that. Fairy Falls, 1.6 miles. So, as we were walking toward that Fairy Falls sign, we met a woman who told us that if we took the detour around that mud puddle, that we might miss the Fairy Falls sign. Now you saw, I walked through that mud puddle, so I saw the Fairy Falls sign, but my dad walked around and he came with me. So we saw the Fairy Falls sign and went the right way. But some other people headed out the opposite, well, they just kept going straight. They didn't follow the sign and they didn't follow us. And we met up with them hours later. They'd gone 2 miles in the wrong direction and had to turn around and come back. So that sign, super important. We were so glad that woman caught us. Now we're on the path to Fairy Falls. It's a pretty abandoned path. 1.6 miles. They say it's long, but it's very pretty. So we'll see if it's worth it. Starting to get a little promising.
Oh, I saw a little piece of flower.
Ooh. There's a little bit of wet. Oh, nice. Some shade too. It's very hot.
They had berries on them.
Let's not eat them.
I'm not.
Getting closer. All right, almost there.
Look,
Ah! Aw. Wow. Yeah, I guess it's worth it.
Besides that too. Oh. Yeah.
just so epic. God is amazing. I feel so tiny. Fairy Falls is definitely worth the hike. Oh, good breeze too. We think the water coming from up there is falling out there, and maybe all this bottom water is coming from that hole right there. There's
Looks like there ought to be tadpoles in there.
yeah, but the ones with legs.
They're little frogs?
Yes.
Cool. Don't step on them. No way to walk through without stepping on them.
Now I got a thunderstorm,
Yeah, I do not look forward to that.
and now some rain. And now it's raining a lot on us as we walk back from Fairy Falls. How you feeling, Dad?
Not worth it.
Ah! Ah! Yeah! Ultimate outsiders! It's cold! It's raining a lot. It's raining a lot. A lot. We've still got a ways to go. Fortunately, I'm the kind of person who can laugh in the rain. So when I say that it fell a flood, that means it rained a lot. Do you say fell a flood? Because I have some people who don't know what it means. What do you say if it rains a lot? Let me know.